Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 73 minutes video covering many markets. You will see me introducing them, chock full of insights and opportunities and setup in various markets. And the clip that I am sharing with you today is going into great length and explaining a major in Forex, the US dollar, Japanese yen. I hope you like it. If you'd like further information about my service, my website, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends. Other than that, I wish you have a great week and good trading. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. After the dramatic bearish performance that we have seen in the precious metals this week and a few other commodities, I think commodities may go into some brief consolidation before they continue with the bear trend. The same applies for the dollar, but on the reverse side. Stock markets are likely to remain range bound in my opinion. And here's a long list of charts I prepared. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar Canadian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar Japanese yen, US dollar Swedish krona, high-grade copper, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, the euro bond, USD bond, then the CRB, the TSX of Canada, the Dow, the S&P 500, the DAX of Germany, IBEX 35 of Spain, Jakarta's composite index of Indonesia, very interesting chart. And then I'll have a look at oats, and I'll terminate the video with a brief look at live hogs. That's February 2012 contract. Okay, this is the monthly scale of the Japanese yen. For those who have never seen this chart before, this chart goes back to 1983. We had a massive third wave down and then a mega fourth wave triangle. Take a look. That's monthly scale, remember. Mega fourth wave triangle that then broke down for mid 2007 or so, broke down. The price broke down. The dollar fell against the Japanese yen again, becoming very strong, causing a lot of trouble to Japanese exporters, and it went as low as breaking the previous low. Now the very big question, are we looking at a bottom, meaning at a bottom of a multi-decade strengthening in the Japanese yen against the dollar, and the dollar is now ready for a new career, a new bullish career here? Well, as you can imagine, it is too soon to answer that with high degree of confidence. I will go and see the details. I just wanted to show you a few things here. Take a look. This is a monthly scale, again I remind you, and you can see that we have a divergence here on the monthly scale. Now this is important. Pay attention. This is a monthly scale divergence on this currency pair, meaning that we may have seen a bottom for this. It went as low as here, and of course that is causing a lot of problems for the Japanese exporters, as I said, and it's not in their interest to see it continuing up. On several occasions there were pledges by the OECD members to support weakening the yen, intervening, and notably after the earthquake. That is the spike here. After the earthquake in Japan, all the OECD members stood behind Japan in fighting the appreciating yen. But as you can see, the pledge held just that long, and it continued, actually went to a lower low. The weekly scale here now, again, showing us multiple divergence. I want you to look and to see we have multiple divergence here while the price was going down. So it is possible that something very big is setting up here in the Japanese yen, but we don't have yet any firm signal. We have the MACD that, as you know, it can go on for weeks and weeks without actually giving us a trigger. And what we are looking here, we're looking at a wall. Again, a very powerful descending line here, and you can see that it's coming back to test this line. How many times it has done it before? You see, it's coming back. It's coming back, but the wave count says that in fact it could be actually part of a consolidation here that would lead lower. And what I'm trying to say is look carefully. That could be a 1, 2, that's a 3, that's a 4, and we are now in the fifth. It could get an extension. So that will be 1, 2, that could be a 3. We are in a fourth wave, down we go in the fifth, and that stands the chances possibly terminating the giant, not just the fifth leg of this, but the very, very giant fifth wave on the monthly scale. Take a look now at the daily, and that is an option that is still viable. That's 1, that's 2, down it goes with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a 3. We are now in a fourth wave. So as long as it stays under 80, this can go on literally for another 6 months. Because look, the 1, 2 took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 more, slightly more than 5 months. So there is no reason in the world why this can't go for 8 months. Could go on for 8 months. So that is a very important level for us to watch. Just above 80. That's the one. Now, if we get a breakout here, stand up and listen, because that will be major event in the case of this forex pair, and especially if you get such a thing. See, there will be a huge inverse head and shoulders. That will be a very, very important bottom. I cannot tell you that it will be their bottom, but that will definitely be a very important bottom, and we will see a sustained rally. And of course, as we go down the road, that might take quite a long time. Let's go back to the monthly. You know, when you have a very certainty from the technical point of view that we have put in a major bottom that might last for decades, only when it goes above 125. So you can see why it is not very prudent to try to jump too soon and say that you got a bottom, because you cannot really be certain, and not until you run above this level that is the last leg, because you had such a fantastic triangle here, which is really rare to see such an extremely clear triangle. And then the fifth leg. What has been difficult with this forex pair so far is the descent. That has been terribly unfriendly to those who seek clear patterns in Elliott waves. This is the last thing. It's very far from being clear, and but nevertheless there are ways to subdivide it. So these are the comments I have for now for this forex pair. On Twitter, you are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word by all means. I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.